everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox One controller to your Android phone. So we can just swipe down from the top and we want to go to the Bluetooth settings on our phone, and we can just hold this down. Now you have to put into the pairing and syncing mode, so let's go to pair a new device. And just make sure it says scan right here and press that down. Then go to your controller and turn it on. Once your controller is turned on, it might connect your Xbox, so just a heads up, your Xbox might be turned on somewhere. But hold down this sync button right here on the top for like 3 seconds. You can see it is blinking, it's in the syncing and pairing mode. Then if you go back over to your phone, you can see already Xbox wireless controllers listed on here. So now it should be connected. And usually when you connect, it's a solid color, so we can go to the Xbox wireless controller. And we want to tap this again because it actually pairs, so it didn't pair for some reason. So you can see it's still blinking. Now it's a solid color and I'm connected. It says 50% battery. Now I should be able to control this. And it shows up on the screen. We can select this now and go to forget device. So if we ever want to bring this to our Xbox or connect it to another device, probably best to disconnect it from your phone first. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.